Wake up, wake up. It's Tea Tuesday, and I'm joining in with Life with Patty, a great, awesome channel. If you're not already following her, I know you're going to love her. Such a sweet, kind person, and always such interesting content on her channel. As you can see, there's always something new and different to see. Now, let's see who else I'm joining in with. Oh, and here's the other awesome creator I'm joining in with, Kathy's Favorite Things. Oh my gosh, she's an awesome creator too. Lots of great content on her channel. I know you're going to love her. She does beautiful things, and check her out. Now, I want you to go over and check the playlist. Anyone else that joined in. All of us have put a lot of time and effort into joining in for Tea Tuesday. And I want you to see what we all did. We all do different things, share different things with you. So you're not going to get bored. So check out Tea Tuesday. Now let's see what Grandma did.
Good morning to all of you. We're still together.
Hello, another Tea Tuesday, and we're going to be talking another stop on our Charlotte and I's adventure. But before that, we want to talk about the tea that we're drinking today.
Okay.
So we've got Bigelow Benefits Blueberry and Aloe Herbal Tea, caffeine free. And it says, "Isn't it nice to know you radiant beauty every day?" Aww.
I think I'd like to see if I could be like that. I don't know if it's true, but
And let's see. All of us know how important it is to put good things in our bodies to help us stay strong. That deserve was the inspiration for the Bigelow Benefits line. Now I'm not going to read the rest because it's a lot. But anyways, blueberry. That sounds delicious. So
and blueberry is very healthy. I had to move it over. It was blocking my doggone snowman.
And this cute little snowman cup.
Good.
Where'd you get it from?
I got these beautiful cups, if you can believe it, at Dollar Tree for $1. So got a pair of them. A pair of them for $2. When I saw them, I snagged them up.
I just love how the little carrot nose goes sideways. So cute.
It's very cute. And I got a bunch of other stuff also we'll share later.
Yeah, we didn't talk about our cup from last
Oh
week,
no!
but they were so cute. I got those ones from Starbucks that we've had them for quite a few years. So, but today we're going to talk about the first stop or the second stop. We last week we talked about we went to Prague first, and now this week we're actually getting on the ship with the river cruise, and we are starting off in Budapest, Hungary. So just a quick little thing here. It just says Riverside Beauty, a vibrant cultural scene and echoes of late 19th century architecture and romance blend together in Budapest to form one of Europe's most rewarding cities. Hungary straddles the banks of the Danube, and so that's the river that we took through our adventure. So last week we talked about Prague, which that was just a land portion. So now we're actually on the ship and sailing the Danube River. And in Budapest, we went to, and it was so funny because I had seen pictures on what is it called? Instagram. And this one place I was like, I really, really want to go there. And that was one of our stops. Yeah. And the nice thing with Viking is that they give you or I shouldn't say it's free, but it's included, a tour every day. So, they're usually about 3-4 hours. So you still have time in the rest of the day to either walk around and explore on your own, or you can take another paid tour to another part of the city. So we were there 2 days. actually a day and a half. But so we went to this place, and I can't remember the name, and it's not on this paper, but it was beautiful, and we'll share some pictures. But I want to show you some items that I was able to pick up on my travels. So the first one, knowing that my mom likes little doilies, I got her some little doilies.
Oh.
And she has a lot of white, so I got her some blue and white. How do you like those?
Well, they look great.
Yeah.
Looks like little roses too, almost, don't they?
And then Hungary is famous for their paprika. So I got you a paprika. It's a sweet and then a spicy and a little spoon.
Oh my gosh.
So, and that's what they put in their goulash. So we'll have to
Get some recipes and try.
get some recipes and try them because there's a lot of paprika here. So.
And you know, there's a lot of different kinds of goulash too.
Mhm.
Because when my sister, she was all over in Europe for I think 2 months. She was surprised that every place she went, the goulash was totally different.
Yeah, the one we had, and believe it or not, it was really funny. It was at a gas station, truck stop. I don't know. We were on our leaving, and we stopped there. That was like because the bus driver couldn't, you know, they can't drive so many hours without having to take a break. So we had like a dinner break, and I was like, they're not gonna have good food here. It was delicious. So I'm excited to try using this paprika.
Maybe that's when we can use those aprons and do one here, and we can do one at my house.
Yep, we can. And then my mom loves scarves, so I got her a scarf from Budapest.
Oh my gosh.
So can you see the little? Oh, this one doesn't have it. This side has like a little scenery. You can see. But we'll take close-up pictures. So I got you that. And I didn't get something in every place we stop because a lot of times we have all these tours and we're just so busy and not have time for shopping. So.
Since Mother's already cold, she's gonna put it on right now.
But I just thought it was I like the color contrast.
And you know, gray's one of my favorite colors. Is that a gray or grayish blue?
Yeah, it's like a grayish blue.
Yeah, I love gray. Gray's
And
my
then
favorite.
I found these and I thought they were so cute. These little dolls with their traditional
Costumes.
Mm-hmm.
We'll take
so
them.
I
Take
got you
some.
a red one and I got you a purple one.
I got 2?
Yep, 2.
Oh my
Aren't they
gosh.
cute.
And you know, people are having purple tablescapes. I never had that many
And
purple
you
items.
see the arms? You can
Pose them?
So they've got the whole thing is ceramic.
Mm-hmm.
Because you know how like usually it's like just the legs or the head or the arms, and then the body is like fabric, but the whole body is.
These are really nice quality.
Aren't they cute? They're so cute. So we had fun. Charlotte helped me pick these out for Mom.
Thank you, Charlotte.
So she could have something to use. I was thinking, you know, your little cozy corner or out in the garden if you.
Well, they'll go out for their photo ops.
For their photo op, yeah.
Because I don't leave things out in the garden that can get ruined. Because I do have a lot of fairies that have actual clothes.
Mm-hmm.
And people ask me about it all the time. I say, oh no, they just go out for their little photo ops and rush them right back in the house.
So yeah, and then they're like on a little keychain, but you can take this off and even hang them with a little string because it's got a little loop here. For Christmas, you can put on your Christmas tree.
Yeah, I guess
Maybe we should start making an international Christmas tree and put all this stuff. Because I bought you, the last time I went somewhere, I bought you a Christmas ornament.
Hope I can find it in my house.
Well,
keep
maybe.
Let's put it this way. It's not thrown away. It's just that my house is out of control, as everyone will tell you. I have so much stuff. And you know what's funny? Debbie's house is getting the same way now.
It's going to get under control right about now. Because I cannot be having. I need to know where my stuff is. So
She's already was looking today for something and she was struggling to find it.
well, and it's because I have bags of stuff everywhere. Because since I've been home. I just got home on Sunday night, and I've been shopping, trying to get prepared for Christmas. So
And it's funny because you have tons of Christmas stuff.
yeah, but so these are the little cute little dolls. I didn't get a boy because I like the little girls better, and I didn't want to get 3. So I was like,
No.
she's gonna get 2 girls and no boy. So
No, they're super cute. They're really cute.
and they had a lot of nice, tablecloths and all this stuff, but it was expensive, and it was probably because of the area we were in, is why it was expensive.
Well, my sister, when she was it's been a few years since she went. She brought me back a beautiful tablecloth. I don't know if it's a tablecloth, but table covering, and it'll go beautiful with what you got.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're gonna have to maybe make 3 of this. We're already at 9 minutes.
Well, I don't have anything. I wanted to talk about the place we went to go see, but unfortunately, I left that little piece of paper over there in the other room, so I can't remember what the name of that place was. But when we place it in our
YouTube.
photos, you'll see. But it's beautiful. That place is gorgeous. And Charlotte, took a bunch of pictures, so we'll share that with.
You see how nice my scarf matches my
Yeah,
because it's a
kinda,
blue.
This kind of picks up on your blue.
Yeah, that's why I was asking. Does it look like a bluish gray?
Yeah. So are you happy with your
I'm very happy with
your
all my gifts. And I love this, and I do tablescapes for 2, and so it'll be perfect for my drinks. And this will give us at least maybe 2 to 4 recipes cooking. I'm sure you guys are going to be thrilled with all the cooking videos you're going to start seeing. I have some more coming up because we can do 1 or 2 here, and then we can do 1 at my house, and that'll give us maybe 4 videos.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because we got 2 different types of.
There's a lot of paprika, so that'll go a long ways.
I don't even cook with it, so I'm going to have to start going and finding a lot of recipes online. So be prepared for some international recipes. Already, my husband's I'm getting probably scared of what he's going to be eating. But
So just a quick note, paprika is just a ground spice made from dried and crushed red fruits and of the plant Capsicum aninum, also known as the bell or red pepper.
good thing she's reading this and not me. Well, I guess we should start saying goodbye. It's getting a little late. We don't want to bore you, but you know us. We'll have another one up tonight. It'll be a little slideshow with some updates on what we did because we don't know how to stop talking. Bye-bye. We'll see you next Tuesday.
And if you're not already following, hit that subscribe button.
We want to see some likes in there too.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.